To operate a fire extinguisher, remember to pull out the pin and aim low. Hold the extinguisher with the nozzle pointing away from you. Point the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever slowly, sweeping the nozzle from side to side. Use a portable fire extinguisher when the fire is confined to a small area, such as a small bin, and is not growing. Everyone has exited the building, the fire service has been called or is being called, and the room is not filled with smoke. You should not use a fire extinguisher if you have not been trained to do so. You have any sort of doubt, the type of fire extinguisher is not compatible with the type of fire, the fire is too large, there is too much smoke and you cannot see the base of the fire. You should periodically check your fire extinguisher to make sure the pressure is within the green zone. It is placed correctly in an accessible position. That the safety pin is in place and the extinguisher has been serviced by a competent technician.